Here's to the end of another year in the long list of years as being a W124 enthusiast. It's now 2022 and it's time to finally get this red project car I've been working on for the past 3 or 4 years inspected to see if it can be registered. If not, they'll give me a list of what must be fixed. It's been a long journey. I believe I've video blogged most of it along the way, not only for my own record keeping and entertainment, but hopefully for yours too. While I've often not done things quite by the book at times, I've done the best I can given parts availability and the obscene price of some special tools. Nonetheless, I'm quite proud of how Red looks today. It is in stark contrast to how it looked when it fell into my ownership accidentally, when a friend mentioned that it was for sale, and I considered buying it as a parts car. As a constant reminder, I still have some old trashy parts lying around I'm yet to dispose of, such as the original damaged and faded bumpers. It's pretty hard to imagine now how bad this car used to look. Luckily, I still have the videos to prove it. A large point of extreme concern during the restoration was wondering what I was going to do about the fuel tank. It was gutted with rust inside from sitting for years with little to no use. I even tried a fuel tank repair kit and coated the inside of it. I wasn't happy with this, and fortunately a mint used one became available at the last minute. The fan shroud I waited almost an eternity to sort out. It seemed like it made no difference to the temperature of the car in the end. It still ran cool anyway. I did get Red's original heater water pump working. It was seized, but after resurrection it leaked and I replaced it anyway. I've still not found these front hood seals new old stock. They seem to be unobtainable. Another reminder from Red's past, just look how terrible its original grille looks. I won't throw it out though, it's a good reminder of the past. Red's original transmission. I was going to rebuild it, however once torn down I discovered that it hadn't been maintained in probably 100,000 kilometres. It was entirely full of gunk and all of the clutch steels were burnt up, presumably from being run low on fluid regularly from its numerous fluid leaks, so I bought another one to rebuild and that's been flawless. I've not been without my mistakes. I've even ordered the wrong version fuel tank strainer for early cars. Its outlet size is smaller than the later and can't be used. Unfortunately, it was destroyed on removal, so it's no use to anyone now. And the biggest mistake of all, I rebuilt the original axle shafts and then proceeded to destroy them instantly on the first test drive, because I had installed the rear sway bar upside down. The large hose clamps fitted was from me trying to work out why the boots kept getting ripped off, till the penny dropped. How embarrassing. Of course, I changed my mind along the way several times. Originally I was going to have a standard height car with 15-inch diamond cut 8-hole wheels, but then I kept looking online. Then saw for sale a staggered set of 16-inch 8-hole wheels, 7.5-inch up the front and 8 at the rear. So I thought, well, I might as well lower it too. I bought the AMG Fender Spacer kit just in case and H&R lowering springs, all from eBay. By chance I was contacted locally by someone with a set of 5 17-inch monoblocks which needed refurbishing. I bought those for a reasonable price and dropped them off for refurb. That's what I've ended up with today. I've still some other parts to fit after registration if all goes well, like this far better condition instrument cluster. It's from a slightly later car, so it has had the economy gauge deleted. I've also got a facelift version non-airbag leather steering wheel to fit, but it requires a new leather cover or at least have the stitching repaired. It's illegal in its current state, so I have no option to fit it. So while 2021 has been a better year than 2020, let's hope that 2022 is better again, and wish me luck for my upcoming inspection. Happy New Year and good luck with whatever you are up to.